Hello.
Hi, my name is Rita. I'm a student at Brady's University, and I want to rent an apartment. I saw your listing for an apartment on Pine Street.
Hi Rita, I'm Kathy, the landlord. Did you want to schedule a viewing?
Yes, that's right.
The earliest appointment to view the apartment is 1 p.m. tomorrow.
Great. I'll take that appointment. Thank you.
Okay, I'll see you then. Hi Rita, nice to meet you. Come in.
Hi, nice to meet you, too.
Thank you.
Wow, this is very nice and clean.
Yes, I always have it cleaned when a tenant moves out. Besides, the apartment was recently renovated. Let me show you around.
That would be great, thank you.
Like the listing said, it's a one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment. This is the bedroom. It is fully furnished with a bed, wardrobe and 2 bedside tables. There is also a desk for study and a bookshelf, an LCD TV and Wi-Fi connection.
I love this room. It looks really cozy and stylish. Is there air conditioning?
No, there isn't, but this building stays pretty cool when it's hot outside.
Is it okay if I hang some things on the walls?
Yes, but please don't leave any holes in the walls. I don't want you to make any major changes to the apartment.
What if something in the apartment stops working or breaks?
You can call me immediately and I will come over to look at it. I live right down the street. I will pay for any ongoing repairs.
Well, all of that sounds perfect.
The bathroom is attached to the bedroom, it's over here. The toilet and shower are a little older, but they are in excellent condition.
Yes, they look almost new. Is there a washer and dryer?
There's no washing machine or dryer in the apartment. But there's a laundromat in the basement. You will have to get a laundry card from a machine down there. You can load some money onto it to do your laundry.
I see, it's perfectly fine.
Let me show you now the kitchen. It is a fully equipped kitchen. It has a stovetop and oven, microwave and refrigerator. The oven and stovetop use gas.
Will I be responsible for paying the gas bill?
Yes, but it won't be very much. If you cook 1 meal a day, it should be about $30 a month.
What about the heat? Is that gas, too?
No, the heat runs on electricity.
Will I need to pay that bill?
No, the heat is included in the rent. So is the water and the trash and snow removal.
That sounds like a good deal. Is there a dishwasher in the kitchen too?
There is. It's right here.
Awesome. Could I have guests stay overnight?
You can have one guest stay overnight, but they cannot stay multiple nights.
What about parties? Can I have small parties once in a while?
Yes, you can, but please do not drink alcohol at the party. A student who stayed here caused damage to the apartment after drinking with some friends.
I'm only 18, so I don't drink yet. That shouldn't be a problem.
I'm glad to hear that.
How much is the rent for this place?
$800 a month.
And how can I pay the rent?
You can write me a check at the beginning of each month.
I'll ask you to pay a deposit for the first and last month's rent, which would be $1,600.
Any damages to the apartment will come out of the deposit. If there aren't any damages, then you won't be charged. And the deposit will go towards paying your last month's rent.
How long is the lease?
1 year. After that, you can sign a lease for another year.
Is the apartment close to public transportation?
Yes, the bus stop is just 150 feet away. It's a 5-minute walk from this building. You can also get easily to the grocery store from here.
Perfect. What are the neighbors like? I hope they're not noisy, because I need to study a lot.
No, they're not, so you shouldn't worry about that. They are very friendly and sociable, and this street is pretty quiet, there's not much noise. Would you like to rent the apartment? I have the lease right here. If you don't sign now, there are other students who might take this apartment by tomorrow. Places in this area get snapped up fast.
Yes, I will sign right now. When can I move in?
If you want, you could move in tomorrow.
Perfect. Thank you. Who should I make the check out to?
Kathy Bowers. Welcome to the building. I'm sure you'll love it here.
Hey Martha, what are you doing?
I am looking for an apartment to rent.
Really? Same here.
Since my parents' house is so far away, I need to find an apartment closer to school.
I thought you were going to stay at the dorm. I still have not decided whether to stay at the dormitory or not. I am looking at different options to find the best ones suited to me.
So what are you looking for?
I just need a small room with a bed, a desk, and a TV. Of course, the place should have a kitchen so that I can cook my meals. I will be living on a very tight budget and will have to watch every dime.
Me too. A simple and decent apartment is all I need. School is going to start next month, so I should find something as soon as possible.
It is not easy to find a cheap apartment that suits your needs. I have been looking at the ads for 2 weeks, and I still haven't found anything yet. Everything I like so far is too expensive and way beyond my reach.
Yeah, the closer they are to school, the higher the rental cost.
Since I don't have a car, I need to find something close to school.
How about sharing an apartment? If you want, we can find a 2-bedroom apartment and share it. It may be cheaper that way. That could solve our problem? Do you want to try it?
Yes, that's a terrific idea.
Hello.
Hello, can I speak with Mr. Stevenson, please?
This is Roger Stevenson speaking.
My name is Martha Moore, and I'm calling about the apartment for rent on Spring Street.
Would you be interested in seeing the apartment?
Yes, my friend, Sandy and I would love to see it. I was wondering if the apartment is located in a nice area.
As a matter of fact, the apartment is in a wonderful location.
What surrounds the apartment?
There are many stores and restaurants surrounding the apartment. I promise you that you will love the location.
From what you're telling me, it sounds like we will. Is there an elevator in the building?
Yes, there is.
Wonderful. When can we come over to visit the apartment?
Are you free today at around 5 p.m.?
Yes, we will be able to make it then.
Well, I'll see you at 5 p.m. Do you know how to get there?
Yes, we do.
Okay, see you then. Welcome to the apartment.
Thank you, Mr. Stevenson.
So this is the apartment. It has a small kitchen, 2 bedrooms. and one large bathroom with washer and dryer. Take a look around.
This apartment is exactly what we're looking for. How much is the rent?
It's $725 each month and I require a 12-month lease. You'll need to pay the tenancy deposit and the first month's rent.
How much is the tenancy deposit?
It's 1 month's rent, so $725.
So we need to pay $1,450?
That's right.
Is all the furniture included?
Yes, it is.
Can we redecorate the place ourselves, or paint a room if we want to?
Yes, you can. But you shouldn't change the appearance of the property significantly.
Are utilities included in the rent?
Water, sewage, garbage, and internet are all included in the rent. You have to pay for electricity and cable.
That's a very good deal. What is the closest public transportation?
There are 3 bus lines right across the street.
We are students, so we need a quiet apartment to be able to study. Is this a quiet building?
Yes, it's a very quiet building.
Everything sounds great. I love the apartment and it's very close to school. What do you say, Sandy?
I love it too. Let's sign the lease.
Sandy, what are your interests?
I usually spend my leisure time reading books or playing sports. I like reading new and trending novels, and my favorite genres include suspense and thriller novels.
Which sport do you like most?
Basketball. But I also like swimming and rollerblading.
I love rollerblading too, it's super fun.
Wonderful, we can go to a roller skating rink together.
Sure. You can count on it.
What's something you can do well?
Something I can do well? I think I'm a good people person. I can go up and talk to people easily.
What's something you can't do well?
I can't cook well yet, but I'm working on it. I hope to be able to make some progress soon. What about you?
I can cook really well, so I can teach you a lot of recipes. But I don't know how to dress well. I have no style. I wish I knew how to create harmonious outfits.
Don't worry. Fashion is my thing, so I can give you some tips on how to be stylish. And dress well.
Really? That would be awesome.
What usually makes you angry?
If someone spreads false rumors about me or someone talks behind my back. It makes me angry.
I know what you mean. I get angry when someone tries to underestimate me. Without knowing me. Have you ever worked?
Yes, during the summer I usually get a part-time job. Have you?
No, I haven't.
What do your parents do?
My dad is a mechanic. My mother is a nurse. Oh no, there's a leak in the pipe.
Yes, I noticed a few minutes ago. I'm tightening the pipe, but it doesn't seem to work. And the toilet won't flush.
Shall we call Mr. Stevenson?
Yes, I'm going to call him right away and let him know about this.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Stevenson. It's Sandy here. We are having some plumbing problems in our bathroom and need them fixed. Can you send a plumber out to our apartment today?
Of course. But first, Let's find out what the problems are.
Well, to start, there is a leak in the sink.
Did you try tightening the pipes?
Yes, I did, but it still leaks.
Okay. What other problems are there?
The toilet isn't working.
Is the toilet clogged? Does it flush?
No, it doesn't flash properly.
Then it might be a clog.
That's right. I tried using a plunger, but that didn't work.
Have you used any drain cleaner?
Yes, I have, but it still didn't work. And the last problem is the low water pressure in the shower.
I'll have someone come down to fix it right away.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Stevenson.
We've been living here for 3 months now. And there's been constant noise in this building. I can't take this anymore.
Me neither. We must talk to the landlord and make a complaint.
Now, what's the problem, girls? Why did you want to speak with me?
For 3 months now we've been putting up with constant noise, due to repair work on the building exterior.
Some repair work had to be done on the facade and balconies. And it will certainly improve the overall appearance of the building.
But there has been constant banging and jackhammering for 3 months now. Because of the extreme noise, we're frequently forced to leave the building. We can't study under these circumstances. If you'll remember, we clearly stated from the beginning that we needed a quiet building.
I'm sorry about that, but the good news is it won't last forever.
We should have been informed about that before we signed our lease.
I do apologize for the inconvenience, but there's nothing I can do about it.
When we agreed to rent the apartment, we were led to believe that we were moving into a quiet building.
Under normal circumstances, it is a very quiet building. Perhaps you should contact the management company who is overseeing the repair work.
But we signed the lease with you, not them.
Well, if you want to move out, you are free to do so.
And I suppose we'll have to pay a penalty for breaking the lease, right?
Yes, that's right.
I don't think that's fair at all.
So what do you expect me to do now?
Legally, we are entitled to a compensation for loss of peaceful enjoyment.
You've been lucky to find this apartment with such a cheap rent. I think you should appreciate that.
We could go to arbitration, but we'd prefer to settle with you.
I suppose I could offer you a 10% reduction for now until you move out.
Actually, we were thinking of a 25%.
I'm sorry, that's too much.
Like I said, we could go to arbitration.
Okay. Fine, it's a deal.
Espero sinceramente que haya disfrutado de nuestros diálogos. No olvides darle me gusta al video, compartir este video con un amigo, incluir algún comentario, suscribirte al canal y practicar un poco más tu inglés. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Saludos.